Welcome back. So today's video is all about long to short hair transformations. So first up, we have a young lady who is getting a cut, and it looks as though the stylist is cutting her very long hair into a short pixie cut. Now this look overall is very trendy, and the stylist decides to leave a lot of volume in the top portion of her hair, which is great because even though her hair is now shorter, she still has a lot of length to play around with. She has a lot of volume, and her pixie cut overall looks very modern and just very sleek and fashion forward. So by giving her a lot of volume at the top, she's really able to play around with the style and just kind of switch it up if she feels the need to. Alright, so for the next hairstyle, she is getting shaven sides, and it looks as though the back portion of her hair is also getting clipped, or cut rather. So overall, I think that she's getting a shaven side pixie cut, and with that, she's keeping a lot of the length once again in the front of her hair. She still has a lot of volume throughout. And because her hair is just kind of growing out that color, she really creates dimension with the overall style and look. And I think that this is a very edgy style. Loving the shaven sides, the shaven back portion of the hair. It just looks very edgy and very modern. Alright, so hairstyle number 3. Let's see what type of transformation this is going to be. She has obviously very long hair, and it appears as if the stylist is cutting it into a bob. Actually, you know what? This may be more of a lob situation because a bob would have been a little bit shorter. So it's more of a long bob that she's getting. And like I've said in previous videos, I think that lobs are great if you are a little bit indecisive about your hair. Oh, this is cute. If you want to be able to keep some length but still rock short hair, lobs are definitely a great match for you. Alright, so next up, it looks as if we have another lob situation going on. He cuts her hair from 2 ponytails. Oh no, this is a bob. You can tell because it's much shorter. Usually when it's a neck length haircut, that's usually a bob. So it's longer in the front, shorter, a little bit shorter in the back. Oh no, he's still cutting, still cutting. So it looks like he cut a little bit of some bangs in the front just to kind of give a little bit more dimension and layers throughout the hair. And she of course has highlights, so that definitely adds some color and dimension to the overall look. Very pretty. Alright, so let's see what this haircut transformation is going to be. Alright, he is cutting quite a lot off. Wow. Oh, this might be a pixie. I think this is a pixie. Well, I guess I would say this is more of like a shaggy bob. He's left a lot of length in the front and one side. Well, you know what? This is kind of like a tapered bob actually. Tapered or angled bob because it's longer on one side and shorter on the other. And that kind of creates just like a fashion forward feel to the overall look. Alright, so we have another haircut coming our way. Oh, she's getting some color and a haircut. Okay. So it looks like she's getting a bob. So he's cutting off the hair, measuring it, making sure it's an accurate cut. Cutting off the sides. I'm not really feeling this one. I don't think it goes with her face shape. It seems very flat. Something about it seems flat. And it's just, I don't know. I think she needs, if he had did like blunt bangs across the top, I think that would have been really pretty to go with this haircut. But I'm not feeling it. It's something about it looks off. I don't know. What do you guys think? Moving on. Now we're seeing another bob haircut transformation. Wow, he is very precise with his cutting. Like, he is doing it like layer by layer. That's crazy. He is very precise, but you can see that haircut is like perfect. Like, the ends are so even and so like her hair just looks extremely healthy. Now that is like a full classic bob right there. Gorgeous. Very pretty. Look how thick her hair looks. Absolutely stunning. Alright, so moving on to the next hairstyle. Oh wow, that was a quick transformation. Imagine someone being able to cut your hair that fast. So basically she went from long to a short pixie. Very cute. I love this color combination where they keep it like light at the top and then darker by the roots. I think that's pretty. Alright, so I believe that is our last transformation for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.